Now I want to show you guys how it works. So you have here on your climate screen, you have two sliders. You have a driver slider and a passenger slider. Now we did add automatic temperature control, but it still is a single zone. So make sure your sync button is highlighted. That way, whenever the driver increases and decreases the temperature, it also happens on the passenger side. The passenger does not have control. It's only a single zone. Nevertheless, what's great about adding automatic temperature control is now all you have to do is press either the auto button on the screen or on the side hard key, and you can set it and forget it. Set it to whatever temperature you desire, and the system will use that cabin sensor to determine how much air is needed in the cabin to remain at the desired temperature. So just a quick little awesome upgrade. Whenever you upgrade to the UAV or the UAX infotainment system, this gives you automatic temperature control. Thanks for watching, guys.